Mata, I'm coming. Mata's on, Mata's on. Go, Mata. After 13 hours.
Oh, finally.
Let's go.
13 hours. Whoop, whoop. Go say hello to Rios' vlog.
Oh, oh.
Let's go, Mata. Let's go.
Go, Mata. Bro, if he lets it go, I'm like pushing the
13 hours, bro. Poor guy.
Oh, poor guy.
I would feel his excitement too.
Oh, you tangled up with this lion.
Bro, that would be fucking funny.
Imagine,
Bro. That would be funny, bro.
You see the rod going like that too?
Hey!
What is that? What is it? What is it?
The fish.
Oh, the 20.
Hey!
Dang.
Finally, dog.
Mata Pata pulling in some fish. Oh shit, the guy's coming.
Oh shit, I gotta leave.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this out. You wanna get it? Alright, you got it.
Alright, let me put this on the floor.
Oh, he's coming.
He's just gonna say to whatever.
Nah, he's just gonna be like...
He's gonna check your thing. He's like, hey, you gotta go bypass. And just tell him that I'm gonna leave already.
Yeah.
Dang, what is that?
Let's put on some peppers. Hold on.
Right there, guys. Show him real quick.
It's his liver. It's his liver.
His liver.
Let me put it on here. Oh shit.
Hurry up,
Wait,
Mata.
Mata, just grab one, motherfucker.
Alright.
That? Yeah, it's crunch.
Fuck it.
Tell him you're heading out right now.
That's Loki, a keeper.
Alright, there you go, guys.
Over here.
Wow. Alright, guys, get a release on him.
Release,
How big
Hurry
is
up,
it?
because this guy's coming.
Oh,
Oh my god, just throw the thing
¿Quieres
back.
que lo mida, güey? ¿Quieres que lo mida? ¿Quieres que lo
Let it
mida?
go.
Nah, it's small.
Alright, there you go. Alright, guys, we got another one. Oh, he has a little bit of running on him.
He felt like a little better.
Probably not. I just have drag on him. The Mata's all interested in the tilapia, bro. Nothing. I said I love you, Mata.
Come on, fight him, fight him, fight him. Dude, this is prime time, dog. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a good night.
This one might be better though.
That's what I'm saying. Got a good one.
I don't know, depending on. Yeah, that's probably not a keeper, maybe. Feels better though. Shout out to Mr. Bunch. I know it's on spring break and he probably came back from Disney World already. But it's alright, bro. Gonna see how he is. Huh? Hopefully that's him right there.
That's his. They got the ball. He's right. Cause I can't see shit right now.
We have like, not a lot, but we have like, let's see.
Look right there.
Okay. Come on, please.
Dang.
Yeah, actually, he's a keeper.
Yeah, nah, I don't know, maybe. Get the thing. Might have just caught a keeper, guys. Right there. Nah, he's gonna be like 19. I don't think he is.
That's a 19.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
19 and a
That's
half.
a 20. That's a 20.
No, it's a 19.
That's a
and
20.
half. Look, from
I'll
the
keep it.
tip.
I'll keep it.
No, it's not a 20. 19 and a half.
That should be what?
20 exactly.
20 exactly.
Oh, that one just got popped over there.
Huh?
The larger one. Can you get Mata? Get the pliers. It's like stuck right on the bottom of the lip. You need the pliers. It's the barb is stuck in his bottom lip. Broke. Well, yeah, you crossed everybody's line.
Where's it at?
It should be on the thing. Yeah. They're gonna be rolling through, getting all that shad though right now. They're gonna be rolling through right now, bro, getting all that shad. There, guys. There he goes. Let's get a release on him.
Turn it around and I'll get you a picture.
Alright. shit. Yeah, now it's gonna be on. It's alright, I don't need a picture. Here, if I can get him. Oh. That's alright. He's on. There he goes, guys.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. Here, Rios, hold the light. It's not too big. It's not big, but it's a fish.
I was straight to run.
Hey, where's the GoPro?
It's right on me, bro.
You want?
I stay strapped.
I know, but you feel me?
Yeah.
Bro, I was straight to run.
I barely heard that.
You gotta get it from the.
It's not big, but I mean, it's something.
Right.
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm coming.
Oh, he's trying to go to the weeds, dog.
Nah, he's going away. Here, shine it on my thing right there. Then I'm not gonna have a good video. He's not big, but he's something, I guess. Almost fell. He is mid. Wait, that might maybe be close. You wanna run and get the thing? You got it, Rear? That might be close, to be honest.
The other one was probably bigger.
I don't know.
That one's like 18,
Right in the.
maybe 17. Ooh.
Go ahead, measure
Watch
him.
with the hook.
Try it out.
Damn, motherfucker.
Yo.
Slapping Real.
Stop.
Stop. Police. Oh.
Oh.
Nice. 18.
Oh. Slap.
18. Nah, they're gonna get a keeper, bro.
Can you get a picture with it?
Did it slap you?
Nah, poke me.
Dude, I left my phone back there.
Alright, go ahead.
All dirty.
You just take it with the flash.
All right, guys.
Take
Tell
it
them,
with the, take it
hey,
with the flash.
tell the guys. Dude, that shit's all dirty. Well, don't do it with a flashlight if I'm gonna do it with the flash.
Alright. Alright, guys, we're gonna get a release on him. There he goes. There he goes. Huh? Yeah. You go grab it.
Nah, he ate that shit.
Jordan, skimming the fish. Is that a? Oh, it's a little alligator guard. What? Never caught one of those reels?
What is that?
Don't.
Oh, what is that?
Don't let it hit you, reels. Look at the teeth on
Did
him.
it slap you?
Hey, Mata, you want this fish? He's gonna say yes.
That's a 20.
I know you can keep it, but those are hard to kill, bro.
They're hard to kill?
They're hard to like eat because their skin is so hard.
I just want to hang it
Fill the
up.
back. Fill the back of it.
If it's... Where's his mouth? Oh.
Right there. Look at all this
Hey,
teeth.
bring the pliers. What is it? A
That-
gar.
Oh.
That
Where?
one's down there.
Mata, go, bro, Mata. No, bro, I think I heard it. Let me see. I swear I heard it. Hey, you got pliers over there? Yeah, that fish will live forever. Come on, Rio. Let's see. We heard it though. Wait for it.
Oh.
Y'all playing?
Okay guys, right
No,
here,
bro, I
my
heard it.
friends were thinking I was playing because we were playing with them all night, shaking their bells and stuff and acting like they had a fish on. But right here, they really did have a fish, but the fish just stopped running when we decided to pull up. And then you'll see what happens
20.
when it rings again.
You want Mata? You can keep it.
Can you keep those?
You can keep it if you want.
They're dirty though, right?
No, they're hard to cut open. The hardest skin.
Why?
Because they
A lot
are.
of people make
Here, Jordan.
gar cakes with them.
I'm gonna make some boots. Cake or dicker.
What is it called? Like a crab cake? What'd you drop?
You ever made crab cake, Rio? Oh
Oh,
shit!
gar.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck?
What the fuck?
Rios, that one will slap you,
Yo, is that
Rios.
a snake?
He'll slap you, Rios.
Like hard? Harder
Nah,
than a fish?
Oh,
Oh,
he'll cut you with his teeth.
Do y'all have the pliers or no?
Alright, it's on. Hurry up, Mata. Come on.
You think so?
Yeah. Grab that shit, hurry up, reel it in. Bro, I heard it, I'm not stupid. Go, Mata, go! Get it, just reel it in. I can freaking hear it every time I go down there. You heard it that time, right? Yeah. Hurry up and reel it in. Bro, he's on. Is he or no?
I don't know. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see? Tighten your jack, there you go.
Cheap ass. Oh, yeah.
Is he stuck or not? He's on. Right, you're pulling him in?
Yeah. I just can't see where.
There you go, guys. Mata's on.
Oh, shit.
He looks pretty good.
That poor fish.
I told you.
Okay, guys, right here, the fish had got stuck on
told you
a
there was something
little
on,
tree
Martha
on the
didn't
bottom
believe
of the water, so I'm gonna skip up the part so y'all don't have to watch all this.
He's right here.
See what it is. See what it is.
Fuck, you got
Pull him, just pull him. Another one, guys, but
oh, it's a shrimp.
not a keeper. We're gonna see. Run, Mata!
I'll check.
Yeah, touch. If it flaps, it's a keeper. Touch it, Rios. No, you gotta like rub it a little bit. Go.
Give it a kiss.
Rub it. You're not rubbing it. You gotta rub its belly. That's how you tell.
Last
Look.
time. Slap it.
See, it's a keeper.
Oh,
It flapped.
maybe it's pregnant.
Mata, it's fine. Just come. My God. The boy's probably trying to look for the measuring tape. He's not a keeper though. I knew I heard Mata's, bro. I knew I wasn't tripping.
Yeah.
This is why you don't do track, Mata.
What happened?
Oh my God, he's gonna be dead by the time. You're gonna have to rescue him.
The pliers?
What?
Well, we need those anyways, but.
Alright, you're gonna have to be quick. Hurry, because he's gonna die.
Oh, stop.
Go right there, pinch. Go.
Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh, shit. Oh, second one.
Alright, pick him up. Go.
Oh, where's the picture at? Take a picture.
Little 19-inch fish right there, guys. Alright, let's get a release on him. Throw him. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, he is. I know, 20 is pretty big,
Oh,
though.
you gotta run it up.
Oh, dude, that was 20 actually. It's fine. Go, Jordan, go. Jordan is on, guys. You can barely see him.
See.
I know, dude. He didn't get yours, Rios. Can you catch a keeper already, Jordan? I'm tired of these rats. Tired of you skimming these fish, bro.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
That is not a keeper.
It's a keeper.
The same one.
Oh, it's like, that's the same.
They're all getting, they're so close to 20s, bro.
I said we just keep them at this point. It's God.
It's a 20, I'm
tempting
telling you.
God.
I thought I heard yours, bro, definitely.
What are you
You're
sucking
touching
on,
it, Jordan,
dude?
not me. I'm done touching these.
Damn, I
There's
should've-
monkeys in there.
That's
Real-
racist.
That wasn't racist. You're racist.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture with the Jordan.
Touch your reels. See if it's a keeper. You gotta rub it. Remember on its belly.
Put the pliers at?
They should be right there.
Are you a keeper?
Nah,
Not
see.
a keeper.
Where'd y'all put the pliers at? Oh, it's right down the front. I put like everything together. I tried to.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta check the phone?
Mata.
Hey.
Mata's not gonna fall for our tricks no more.
Nah, I'm not even gonna believe it's mine. I'm not even gonna believe it's my fish no more, dog.
Well, like the one you said over there, he didn't believe me. It wasn't.
I know.
We're getting slowly closer to 20 inches, guys.
Oh, did you measure it?
No.
Where's
Nah, but
your thing at?
He's not 20.
It's not 20. But like,
You'll know when it's 20.
Sure.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, let him go.
He said, fuck that.
Yeah, release on this boy.
Bro, I'm getting fucking tired.
There he goes, he's good.
I got a knife. Keep going. Keep pulling that shit. Keep pulling that shit. You turn it on?
Don't you step on my zebra cake, bro.
You turn it on?
Yeah, I don't know if it's a keeper though.
Nah, I think that's keeper material for sure. Keeper.
Alright. Yeah, that shit's been. No! Oh my god, I thought it came off. He's
That's
walking
not a
this way.
keeper. I don't know what it is.
There's some big boys in here, bro. Dude, my freaking zebra cake, man. Nah, I don't know if he's a keeper. He's like, nah. Bruh, he pulled though, right?
Yeah.
Bring that bitch over here, man. You think that's close?
I could try it.
You trying to measure it? Oh!
Rio's caught one. Rio's caught one. Wait, you can measure that one. That might be close.
Alright, let's go.
No. No.
Wow.
What is it at?
The last one was bigger.
18 and a half.
Damn. Rio, you freaking mixed up on mine.
What happened?
It's Sage. You want some?
Yeah, answer real quick. Tell him what do you want. Just pick him up. Pick him up, shake him.
Yo, what's up, Sage?
Shake, shake. Oh my, what the, do you not know how to use pliers, cool?
There you go.
Look, like this. Grab him. Flip him on this.
This is our 14th, I think.
Roll him on this side.
Nah.
Yeah.
They've all been like 18, like 17 to like 19. I think our biggest was 19 and a half. Oh, shit.
He's gonna get hooked on that
Yeah,
side now, bro.
I just got that notification saying moderate rain in like 15 minutes.
Okay. Alright, guys. Get a release on him.
But we'll see what happens.
Point the light over here. Point the light over here.
I'd give it probably like a good like 20, 21. That's a nice car.
Alright, guys, you get a release on him. There you go.
Yeah, I caught him right off.
Alright, guys, we got a fish on my little rod.
Get it.
Seems pretty big. We got banned on TikTok, so we couldn't go live. I don't know why it's lagging. If it is, I'm sorry. Reese, you might want to reel yours in.
Oh, he's right there.
What is that?
You gotta reel your rod in. I think yours is stuck on mine.
Just go around them to your left. To your left.
No, not that one. This one. I mean the pink one.
You go to your left.
It's not. It's stuck on his.
Wait,
Wait, whose
one?
is that? Is that one yours? That is yours.
Which one?
There's a lot of them mixed up. Hold up. Just keep following Martha with the light. Oh, that might be a. I don't know.
That's mine. It's my
Yeah, I know. Hold up. Don't touch it. I don't want to hook you.
Ooh.
Nah, I don't know. Nah. Maybe close. There's a lot of line, bro. Oh my
Bro,
God.
that's my line.
That is not your line. That's my line.
No,
That's a keeper. Go get the line. Go get it. Go get it.
Where's the thing?
He's off. He's off. Did they leave it right there? It's still lagging.
Dog.
It's still lagging, bro. Oh my God. I'm gonna end it and then restart it.
Look, he
It's just lagging, bro.
I'm yelling, dude. The whole lake could hear you, dog.
Oh, really? Oh, he's so close.
Nah, I say he's like a 20.
Dude, look how he's measuring him, bro. Get a picture of it. Get a picture of it.
Oh, I can't do it.
We got banned, bro. We got banned. On my little rod. Alright. Throw it back. Alright, guys. We're gonna get a release on him. We're pointing it over here, Mata. There he goes. Alright.
The trails or what? You know there's trails here?
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go. You like scary shit,
Bro,
Joseph?
my thing's bending over.
Scary shit. I'm here to fish, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, real.
He's on my
No, that's not yours.
That's all.
That's Jordan's. You can pull it in the. Hold up, let me see.
Jordan.
Jordan's whatever.
Nah. Oh, get the bill.
Here, get it. You can pull it in, Rios. Oh my bad. Here, go.
Bro, stop.
It's not me. It's a fish. Hurry. Here, get it. Me? Go. Oh my.
Yo, hey, it's your fish. It's your rod.
Jordan.
Yo.
Keep going.
Oh my God. We doubled up or what?
Wait. Let it bite. If it is.
Hey, that's mine.
You might be on Rios's.
Oh, Rio.
No, it's pulling.
Yeah, I know, but
I think I take one up with Rios though.
Here, Jordan.
Jordan's back up. It's a baby. Alright.
Yo, stop.
Hey,
Alright, throw it back in. That fast. Catch and release.
Yo, open your mouth.
Just kick him back in. We don't need him. He's too small. There he goes, guys. Safe release. Bert came back to the oh Lord, bro. Get it, Bert. Bro, that's funny.
Is it a big one?
No, it's small.
Damn, skim it. Damn, has your rod been going off or what? That's why I ain't hear shit.
Oh.
Damn, Bert's on the leaderboard. Let's go. Oh Lord. Damn. There, guys. See release. Oh, that's funny. That's funny, dude.
All right, guys. So it was about 2 in the morning right here, and I was done already. I was tired, and I just went to sleep. They ended up catching 10 more little rat reds that I didn't end up getting on film because I was very tired and it was so dark and raining. I was done for the day. But yeah, guys, I will post that right after this. And they did get a keeper too. They got one keeper, which I will post a picture right after this.
Hey, can you bring me a light? There's one in my pocket. Yeah. Bruh, I think this one's been on for a while. Cause I heard it ringing all fucking night. I just never wanted to go get it. Bruh, did you hear him catch that keeper last night? It's fucking funny, bro. This fish was all the way over there to the left. Turn on the light. Huh? Turn on the light. Let me put that fucking thing over here. I hope he tied that fish on right. I think he did, right? I think he did. I don't know what the fuck that guy's problem is. You can't even come over here and fucking ask. Like, hey, can you move the rod, you know? That's disrespectful as fuck, bro. I don't know. It looks pretty good. That's high drag on it too. I wonder if he just took like a lot of line on that. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, he got me into a snag. There you go, he's out. Yeah. Try not to rip with my fucking fingers because my fingers are cold. Sorry, Jordan, I'm trying. Yeah, I think they're all mixed up. There's a fish on this one though. Yeah. I'll get these lines out of your way as soon as I'm done. How the fuck is this one out? I told Martha to take it off. Bro, how much line is on this thing? Get over, back over. Oh, he's right here. Light, Jordan, light. It's a keeper. I got a keeper.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah. He's been on for a while. He was ringing all night. I just did not want to get up to get him. I was cold.
It was cold last night, right?
Yeah, it was very cold.
It rained on your back?
Yep, since 1 o'clock, it's been raining. The game's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Rios! I had to outdo you this time, Rios.
Oh, shit.
Mata, I tell you I catch fish, bro. There you go, baby. First one of the morning.
You got the record?
Nah, he's probably like 28.
He's up there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
There you go, man.
Like, pinch the tail, like 27, right?
Did you never change this rod, right? The bait?
What do you mean?
Like, you never changed the bait on
Yeah,
this
I
rod?
did.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, what'd you put?
I think the little fish.
What happened?
You got a measuring tape?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Let me put this. No, we measure it.
Oh shit, that's more than 20, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 27.
Here, that's 30, dude.
Yes, sir. Let me get the pliers so I can get the thing off. You wanna start getting our rods from over there? Alright guys, it's currently 22 degrees here and we're camping in a blizzard. The Takrio show. It's fucking cold and yeah guys, we're gonna head out from the blizzard because we're done. Alright guys, that was the end of today's video. We got Jordan right here, we got Rios over here. And Rios, let's take him to your fish. Let's show him, let's show him. Look, yeah, Rios caught that big one right there. You already know Rios is first keeper. You already know, guys. And you're not gonna dab me up. You're gonna dab me up? No. Okay. First keeper, guys, ever. He was crazy last night. But yeah, then we got Flash over there. Flash, hey, what's up?
Yo, yo.
And Mata's asleep. He's asleep right there. We're about to head out, guys. We had a good fishing trip. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, guys.
Later.